So let's start with the straight line. So I'm going to draw a straight line over here. So suppose I want this much big flower, so I have to draw a bigger line. So this flower is going to be almost this much big. Now I'm going to do plus sign over here. So half here and half here. And from here to here, I'm also going to do half. Now from here to here, I am going to draw a circle. So this is going to the bottom part of the flower. So if you are going a little bit up here or a little bit down here, that's totally fine. And do plus sign in the middle, so almost same, all four of them, right? So I'm fine now. Now over here, so I'm going to start from here. So here and here I marked. So this one I'm making alphabet U sideways. So let's make this guideline a little bit lighter so it will be easy. So this line is alphabet U. So this is first U I did. Now I will turn this side. So this is second one. So I did second one here. Now we have to do third one here. So again, this is alphabet U. So this is going to be a little bit far from here. So we can, this is the third one, and then I'm going to do the fourth one here. And I will come here next to the guideline. You can cross a little bit or you can stop it immediately when you touch the guideline. So we did first U, second U, and then third U, and then fourth U. So now I am checking this side and this side. So this one looks like here. So I will erase this part and make my circle over here. So now this one and this one almost same here, right? So now we will start from here, side of this, kind of like a straight line, right? And I have to come here all the way. So I cannot go straight. So we have to touch this point and this point to this point. So I will start from here. So this is my circle. Slowly by slowly, I will go in. So same thing, I will start from here and I have to come here, right? So slowly by slowly, I will go in here. Kind of like it's going a little bit straight and then coming out. Same thing here, it's kind of like a straight and coming out, but smoothly, not like angled. Now I'm going to make all my guidelines super duper light. I can see, but maybe in camera you guys cannot see. So make sure you can see, but not dark lines anymore. So I did close up, so now we can see more better. So this is number 3, right? So you also have to write down so you can follow this one. So I will start from here and I have to touch this one. So if it's hard for you to touch this one, you can pull this one little bit here, that's also fine. So we have to go touch this one and come here, you can see my guideline. So when you go here, you have to make a bump and then come here, just like a hill, and it's going over here. So you can also start from here, that's totally fine. So you have to go here, you have to start from here. So you can make a hill this way, but it's not touching, so that's okay. You can pull this one here. Still we are going to work on this place, so I'm going to erase this number 3 from here. So this is my guideline, a little bit from here, slowly, not immediately going out sideways. I'm pulling this one, and this is my guideline, plus sign 1, right? So I have to come all the way here. So what I will do, I will grab this one and pull it all the way here. So you can start from here, not this way, going up. So you can see my super duper skinny V, alphabet V, and then I will go all the way here, curve, and then I will touch here. And then I will erase this line because we are not going to see this one from inside, right? So this line is going under this petal. This petal is folded. This one. Now we are going to work on number 4. So I will erase this number 4. Same thing, the way I started here, same thing I will start from here, sideways. And this time we did this way. If I will do the same thing, it will look like a pattern, right? So I'm going to follow this line. The line over here, I'm making it dark so it will be easy to see. So this one. So I will start from here, and maybe I will go here a little bit like this, right? So I will go here, make a wiggly line, curvy, and come here. And then I will erase this line because this is my dog who is barking. I don't know why. So this one, let me make it dark here. So when you are drawing and you feel like this one you want a little bit more wider, you just have to go here and make it adjust here, okay? That's totally fine. Now we are going to work this area, on this area, okay? So this one, like we did 1 and 2, and this is the starting point, right? So this one, we will go here and pull this one down, right? And at the same time, we are going to make it kind of like a sad face. Now I'm going to work for the number 1. So this was the number 1 U. Side of this one, I will pull this one inside. So first I did this one, and now I did this one. Now we have to do for 2. So I have to erase this number here, and I will pull this one down here. Now I'm going to erase all these guidelines over here. So this is my guideline. Still I can see here I'm going to draw super duper light happy face, not a smiley, not like a skinny one, little bit down, happy face. Now it's time to draw alphabet V. So I'm going to teach you over here. You guys can see this one. So this is like a sideways V, right? Instead of this, we are going to do a little bit longer and little bit wiggly this way. So this is the one we are going to use. So I will start from here. Suppose I have to start from here, wiggly line, this sideways, and I will start next one from here, and I have to go all the way here, or you can start from here, that's also fine. But this is under the flower, so I will not suggest to start from here. Start from here, it will look more better. And then I have to go here, right? And I will erase everything from inside. So see, this is the bottom of the flower, and now they are starting from here. Now same thing I will do here, one here, and I will make a dot here, and I have to go here, so wiggly and connect. And anything inside you have to erase. And this is my guideline, so I will pull this guideline over here, one line this side and one line I'm going to draw this side, and I will erase the middle line over here. So my flower is done now. So you can use the marker or Sharpie to outline.